Today we're looking at 7.2, solving the system of linear equations graphically. So we're going to use a graph to solve this. Two equation linear system are graphed on the same grid. By graphing both equations on the same grid, you can see if the two lines intersect. Where the two lines intersect, the coordinates x and y are the solutions for the linear system. So we're going to graph this equation here. So I'm going to make a table of values. So I'm going to say x is equal to 6. So here's my equation. X plus y is equal to 8. 6 plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 6. Y is equal to 2. So when x is 6, y is 2. And then if I say, let's try 2 down there. X plus y is equal to 8. 2 plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 2. Y is equal to 6. So 6, when x is 2, 6 is, y is 6. So let's graph it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up to 1, 2. And now it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 2 points. I can draw a line between the two to join them, showing that all those answers in between will solve this equation. Now I'm going to do this one. I'm not going to do a table of values. I'm going to put this into y equals mx plus b. So I want to get y all by itself. So once again, I got 3x minus 2y is equal to 14. I'm going to bring this over. So that negative 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 14. I'm going to divide by negative 2. When I do to one side, I must do to the other side. Cancel out. Y is equal to 3 over 2x. Once again, these will cancel out. And 14 divided by negative 2 is negative 7. That's my y-intercept. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my slope is 3, 2. Now if I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, I'm off the page. So I'm going to come down 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go back to 1, 2. Down 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And then back to 1, 2. And the reason I went back and down is because I still have to get that. Sorry, negative 7 should be down here. So and come up 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So remember, negative 7 should be down here. I went up top. So and then draw a line, connect the dots. So they intersect this point right here, which is 6, 2. So plug that into the equation and see if you're right. So I'm going to check it. So x plus y is equal to 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8 works. Next one is going to be 3x minus 2y is equal to 14. 3 times 6 minus 2 times 2 is equal to 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 2 is 4. 18 minus 4 is 14. 14 is equal to 14, so it does work. Next one we're going to look at. Actually, I want you to try this one. So stop the tape, take a look at it, see if you can solve this equation for me, and then once it's ready, turn back on and check your answers with my answer. So over here, I'm going to create a table of values. X minus y is equal to 4. So when x and y, when x is 3, what's y going to be? So 3 minus y is equal to 4. Oops, sorry, on this side here. Negative 3y is equal to 4 minus y. Negative y is equal to 1. But I have a negative y. I can't have a negative y, so I'll multiply both sides by negative 1. So I get a positive y. So y is equal to negative 1. And let's try another one. Let's say 4. Make it a little easier. So 4 minus y is equal to 4. Negative y is equal to 4 minus 4. Negative y is equal to 0. Can't have a negative variable, so I multiply by -1. What I do one side to the other side, so y is equal to 0. So there's the other one. So I got 3, -1. 1, 2, 3, -1. And I got 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Draw a line between the two. And then solve for the next question. So I'm going to use y equals mx plus b. So I've got to get y by itself. So it's going to be 3y is equal to -2x plus 3. Because when it crosses the equal sign, becomes the opposite. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Y is equal to -2 over 3x plus 1. So the y-intercept is 1, which is there. I got to come down 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Dot. And join my lines. The intercept right here at this point, that 3, -1. Plug it into the equation. X minus y is equal to 4. 3 minus -1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Works. The other one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. 2 times 3 plus 3 times -1 is equal to 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus -3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is 3 is equal to 3. And it works. Next equation, we're going to create a linear system, and then we're going to solve it. So 20 receives and sent 60 messages on the cell phone in one day. So receive is going to be equal to x, and sent is going to be equal to y. So he sent 60 and received 60, so x plus y is equal to 60. He sent 10 more messages than he received, so he sent 10 more, so y is equal to x plus 10. Okay, once again we can create a table of values. So x and y, so when x is 30, what's y? So 30 plus y is equal to 60, y is equal to 60 minus 30, y is equal to 30. And then pick another one. When x is 25, what's y? So 25 plus y is equal to 60, y is equal to 60 minus 25, y is equal to 35. So there's 2 points. So I'm going to set this up. Let's go 0. Let's go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, no, 28, and then works. Let's go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Here the same 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is my x, and that's my y. So x is 30, y is 30, so there's 30 and 30. And x is 25, y is 35, so 25 and 35. Right there. Draw a line. Same thing here. I can, I can see that I already have a y is equal to mx plus b. So I know my y is equal to 1 over 1x plus 10. So it starts 10 and it goes up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, like that. And then I can draw a line. I see it intersects at 25, 35. So plug it into equations, see if they work. So 25 plus 35 is equal to 60, 60 is equal to 60, that works. And the other one was y is equal to x plus 10. So 35 is equal to 25 plus 10. 35 is equal to 35, and that one works. So, and now I want you to try this equation. Once you finish it, check it in mind to make sure that you have the right idea. So once again, make two equations up, and then solve them. So to visit the head, smash, and buffalo jump into interpretive center near Fort McLeod, a bird, admission for fee is $5 for a student and $9 for adults. So we have students is going to be X, and adults is going to be Y. In 1 hour, 32 people entered the zone, and a total of $180 admission fees were collected. So we have we have students plus adults. There's 32 of them, and 5 times X plus 9 times Y equals $180. So I can create a table of values. So I have X and Y. So when X is 16, Y is 16, when X is 20, Y is 12. So I can do that in my head. I don't always have to worry about the other way. So 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 16, 16 goes there. This is my students. This is my adults. And adults. So 20, 12 is right there. And then draw my line. Next one, I can put this in y equals mx plus b. So I have 9y is equal to negative 5x plus 180. Y is equal to negative 5x over 9x plus 20. So where's my 20? It's going to come down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I draw a line between the two. And that's for the joint. So I would say that is 26, I'd say that's 27, and that would be 5. So there's my points. Plug them in. 27 plus 5 is equal to 32 because I'm doing this equation, because it says there were so many students plus so many adults equals 32, so I got 27 plus 5, so 32 is equal to 32, so it works. Then the price, so if I have 27 students at $5, and I have 9 adults at, 5 adults at $9, will that equal 180? 5 times 27 is 5 times 7 is 5 carry the 3, 135, and 9 times 5 is 45 equals 180, and 135 plus 45 is equal 180 equals 180. That works. So there are students, there are 27, and adults, there was 5. Once again, take a look at your information on the calendar to see what assignments you have to do.